Hey, this is Carrie from Lane County Bigfooters. I'm up with some friends at a little lake called Robinson Lake up in the Cascades of Oregon, and has this nice little one camp spot, and then the lake is just right here. Just a little tiny thing, and the wind is blowing so much that I can't go fishing, which was part of the plan. So it goes that way, and then we'll take this little path down right here and I'll show you the whole lake. This would be a perfect one to paddle around in and go swimming in summer. Maybe not at the beginning of June so much. It's a little windy also. That's why I'm not fishing, because it just blows right back. But anyway, here's the whole thing. We have seen some fish jumping, so we know there's fish out there. But yeah, that's it. That's the whole thing. Not much to it. Water is crystal clear. There's mama duck and baby ducks. She says, keep going, there's people. Look at them go. She's like, don't you stop, you keep going.
Get away, I didn't realize she had a plan.
Yeah, look at them all. And she's got them all on the other side of her now. Let's see if I can zoom it all. Oh, she's really far out there.
She was hiding there.
There she is. With a bunch of little ones. That was fun. Anyway, it wasn't a fish, but it was a little bit of wildlife out here, so thanks for coming along.